The woven wheel is an embroidery stitch that includes needle weaving, and I'll start out by having 6 or an even number of spokes on your wheel. So I just stitch some straight stitches, try to keep them about the same distance apart and the same length. So these are the 6 spokes you're going to weave around, and then you want to come up in the center, and you're going to start to go underneath each of these spokes. So you're going to come up and start going under the one you just came up next to, and you're going to go under 2 at a time. And I'm going to move counterclockwise around my spokes. You can see I am just slowly wrapping the thread around the edge. Since I came over here, I'm going to go underneath right next to it, but I'm going to go under 2 spokes at a time. And I'm just pulling my thread a little bit more tightly around each one of my spokes as I go under. And I'm using the back of my needle to go under each one so that I don't accidentally catch the tip of the needle on my thread as I'm working here. I'm also using a long length of thread so that I don't have to pick up and start over. It's really hard to do that neatly when you're doing needle weaving. So it's nice to use one long length, even though it can feel a little bit awkward. In the end, it's much easier. But you're just going to continue this motion around your wheel shape here. So as you keep working your way around your wheel shape, you'll see that the thread kind of builds up on each one of these spokes, and you can make these as large or as small as you want, your spokes, and it kind of almost has a look of a spider web when you're finished. I've heard the woven wheel called by other names, including the spider wheel, and it has some really nice texture and dimension. It's just a neat sort of shape that you can use, and when you decide you want to wrap things up, you just take your needle and tuck your thread underneath here. So that is the woven wheel.